The United States still leads the world in coronavirus cases and deaths. COVID-19 has impacted everyone in some way. Here's a look at the numbers. According to Johns Hopkins University's COVID-19 dashboard, more than 106 million cases have been reported worldwide. More than 27 million of those cases are from the United States. More than 2 million people have died, including 463,000 people in this country. The death care industry right here at home has also been impacted by the pandemic.
It has changed dramatically.
I traveled to Brazil, Indiana to learn more about how the coronavirus is impacting local business. Demand on death care workers has increased since March of last year. Employees here at this small family-run business in Brazil, Indiana haven't gotten a break since the new coronavirus pandemic took hold nearly a year ago. All 4 full-time employees are deemed essential.
We have 2 companies in one building. We are a casket distributor as well as a print media web design company.
Miller Casket Company distributes coffins across Indiana and Illinois. Timberline Industries creates personalized art panels and other materials for funeral homes and families.
I'm definitely busier with custom panels, especially around here more than anywhere else, about 2 or 3 times more than we normally would have.
The director of operations says there's been a massive increase in business in both areas.
The one thing that we did find surprising more than anything was the customization side. And it was surely because, unfortunately, many of these elderly people who have passed are alone and their families have not been there to be with them and be at their bedside. So the families are really making an over-the-top effort to memorialize their life.
It's been challenging for families to grieve the loss of loved ones, even if they did not die from COVID-19. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention is still recommending visitations and funeral services be kept small with masking and social distancing. For employees in the death care industry, the pandemic means business is good, even if the reason is not.
You learn to deal with it, and you just focus on the positive of, I'm going to do everything in my power to provide the best lasting experience for that family to remember their loved one.
The company is making more deliveries due to limited space at funeral homes and increased demand. Employees are now making deliveries to the same place up to 3 times a week.